Classic muscle reloaded. Welcome to another powerful collection of classic American cars. In this video, we explore 4 unique builds and restorations. Each vehicle represents a different approach to performance and style. From resto-mods to custom classics, everything is included. Get ready to see timeless machines with modern attitude. 1. 1980 Camaro built 383-stroker. The 1980 Camaro with a 383-stroker is a serious performance build. It combines classic styling with upgraded power. The 383-stroker engine delivers strong horsepower. It significantly improves performance. This Camaro is built for speed. Acceleration feels quick and responsive. The engine sound is deep and aggressive. It grabs attention instantly. The exterior keeps a classic look. The body lines are sharp and bold. This generation Camaro has a unique style. It stands out from earlier models. The stance is low and sporty. It gives a strong road presence. Driving it feels exciting. The throttle response is immediate. This car is built for fun. It performs well on the street. Enthusiasts appreciate stroker builds. They offer more torque and power. This Camaro benefits from that. The interior is simple and functional. Focus remains on performance. This build adds value to the car. It makes it more desirable. The combination is well balanced. Classic look with modern performance. This Camaro attracts attention. It turns heads easily. It represents muscle car culture, a perfect street machine. This build shows passion. It delivers both power and style, a true upgraded classic. This Camaro is unforgettable. 2. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Resto-Mod. The 1967 Camaro Resto-Mod is a perfect blend of old and new. It keeps the classic design, but adds modern technology. This makes it more reliable. Performance is also improved. The body style is iconic. It was the first Camaro generation. The design is timeless. This Resto-Mod looks clean and sharp. The paint is flawless. Every detail is carefully done. Under the hood is a modern engine. It delivers strong performance. The driving experience is smooth. Handling is improved. Brakes are more effective. This car is built for daily driving. It combines comfort and power. The interior is upgraded. It feels modern and stylish. Technology is improved. This makes driving easier. Resto-Mods are very popular. They offer the best of both worlds. Classic looks with modern feel. This Camaro is a great example. It attracts many enthusiasts. Collectors also value it. The design never gets old. It continues to inspire. This car stands out anywhere. It is both elegant and powerful. A true modern classic. This Camaro is impressive. A perfect Resto-Mod build. 3. 85 El Camino Custom. The 1985 El Camino Custom is a unique vehicle. It combines a car and a truck. This design makes it special. It is both practical and stylish. The custom build adds personality. It stands out from stock versions. The body looks clean and bold. It has a strong presence. The bed adds utility. It can carry cargo easily. At the same time, it drives like a car. This makes it very versatile. Under the hood is a strong engine. It delivers good performance. The custom touches improve the look. Paint and details are well done. This El Camino is eye-catching. It attracts attention everywhere. The interior is comfortable. It offers a smooth ride. This vehicle was popular in its time. Today, it is a classic. Collectors appreciate it more. Custom builds increase value. This one is a great example. It represents 80s style. The design is unique. Few vehicles are like this. Driving it feels different. It offers a special experience. This El Camino is memorable. It blends function and style. A true American classic. It stands out in any crowd. This custom build is impressive. Four, beautifully restored 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air convertible. The 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air convertible is a true icon. It represents the golden age of cars. This model is beautifully restored. It looks stunning in every detail. The design is elegant and bold. Tail fins add a classic touch. Chrome details shine brightly. The paint looks perfect. This car turns heads instantly. The convertible top adds charm. Driving it feels open and free. The interior is luxurious. Materials are high quality. Everything is well restored. Under the hood is a classic engine. It delivers smooth performance. The ride is comfortable. This car is perfect for cruising. It represents 1950s style, a time of innovation and design. The Bel Air became very popular. It is still loved today. Collectors highly value it. The convertible version is rare. It adds extra appeal. This car is a showpiece. It wins attention everywhere. The craftsmanship is excellent. Every detail is perfect. This restoration is impressive. It brings history back to life. Driving it feels special. This car is unforgettable. A true American legend. The Bel Air remains iconic. These cars show how classics can evolve and remain relevant. From custom builds to perfect restorations, each one is unique. They represent passion, creativity, and automotive history. Thank you for watching this amazing collection. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.